Whakalawhalahi atu. My name's Hala from good old New Zealand. I'm going to show you how to make homemade whipped cream. Hard and fast, no small talk. So, what you're going to need is your ingredients: fresh cream from good old New Zealand, meadow fresh. Sugar, any sugar will do. We usually use icing sugar, so you recommend fine sugar, but any type of sugar, because it's only a couple of tablespoons, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence for flavor. A couple of tools you need: mixer and a hand mixer, and you can also use a whisk, and of course a bowl. And just a tip, make sure the bowl is chilled as well as your cream. That way your cream will come out nice and whipped. So, straight to it, cream goes in the bowl, like so. Add your sugar, vanilla essence, and mix. Can get a little bit messy. Once it gets thick, you should be good to go. What I look for is a couple of peaks in there. Good consistency. What you want to do, wrap it up. And chill for at least 15 minutes. Great for cakes and any other desserts you make. That's all for today. Have a good day.